Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I can tell you what's happening here. I am just now leaving our pet place. As you can see, there's a bale of what appears to be wood chips, chicken feed, and in the bag I got her a heat lamp, a light bulb. I got a feeder and a waterer. Pretty cool. So, oh yeah, check this out. I have a ton of mason jars. I couldn't refuse the deal. $8.99, and if you buy 7, you got 1 free. So $7.99 basically, I guess, for all of those. I'm so excited. And then as far as the chicken feed goes, I made sure to get the medicated. Just for the first round. By the time they're done laying, or by the time they start laying eggs, they'll be so far off of the medicated it won't even be funny, and they'll be eating chicken scrap or garden scraps and that kind of stuff. So yeah, so that's really heavy. That was like I think it was $13, and there is 10 cubic feet. I think that'll be enough wood chips, don't you? All right, y'all. I'm getting there. I'm getting ready. See you all later.